So soon each Gig Harbor patrol officer will be equipped with a body camera that matches up to their in-car dash and rear seat camera.
I just push it one time.
Recording.
It tells me it's recording. And then as I approach my person that I'm going to talk to, I just say, hey, Officer Daniel, Gig Harbor Police Department, just to let you know that you are being audio and video recorded.
Recording.
There's a little blinking red light right here that tells me it's recorded, so I can look down and see it. And if I want to go into covert mode, I can do that so it's not distracting and it's quiet.
Covert off.
And then when I want to stop it, I just hold it down.
Stop recording.
And the recording stops. Our policy outlines a lot of things that we shall turn it on for. Anything where I'm going to make an arrest, anything that appears to be disorderly, violent, some sort of physical altercation. There's a bunch of different scenarios. If it's aggressive in nature, pursuits, that type of stuff.
So once an officer obtains a body-worn video, they'll come into their patrol car and they'll need to get the video from the body camera to the in-car DVR, the digital video recorder. And they'll do that by putting it into a docking port, snapping it in place, and waiting for the DVR to recognize the body camera. Once it does that, they'll go to a menu on their monitor in the car and they'll categorize that video. They'll select if it's an arrest, if it's a traffic stop, if it's a social contact, something like that. And that speaks to how long we retain those videos.
Battery charge.
Now that video is on the digital video recorder within the car that's associated with our dashboard cameras and our rear seat cameras. When a patrol car pulls into our department parking lot, there's a wireless access point that will recognize that the car is within range, and it will wirelessly extract those videos, send it through our network to a cloud storage, and retain that video for the specified amount of time based on that categorization. One of the primary technical aspects we had to clear up was the communication, getting the videos from the car to the cloud. And we were trying to do that through the officer's computer, using the same secure cell technology there. That just simply didn't work for a variety of reasons. So it took us a couple months to get an access point installed above the garage here at our police department, and that's a much easier way to transfer that video.
Is there any concern that you've heard from your officers?
Yeah, we're still working through that with the officers, but I think more and more of them are becoming fans, and every police officer in Washington State knows that body cams will be mandatory at some point very soon.